Hi everyone. So one of the common questions that students ask often is why do IIMs increase their education cost so frequently? And there's a reason behind this, and I'm trying to demystify this question using economic theory. The theory I'm going to use is the demand curve. So in this case, if you look at the demand curve in terms of price per seat in an IIM and number of students who enroll for the course, normally the demand curve will be a downward sloping curve. That means if I increase the price, if I increase the price, then the number of students will go down to stay on this demand curve. Ideally, if I decrease the price, then the number of students will go up in the demand curve. So it will always move on this demand curve. And that's why it's very risky to increase or decrease the price because that will impact the number of students who get enrolled for this course. In the case of IIMs, however, because it has such a good brand value in terms of good professors, good network, good peers, good alums, good infrastructure, the demand curve doesn't look like this. Actually, it looks something like this. So at a particular price, the number of students who enroll for this course is this much. Now, if tomorrow IIMs increase the price to let's say this value, the number of students who get enrolled to this course goes down but very slightly. The earlier number of students were this much, now they have gone down to this much. If day after tomorrow they increase the price even further, then you'll see that again number of students who enroll for the course will go down but very slightly. And that's what they know that for their business this curve is more a vertical line to the x-axis, and that's why they try to increase the price because they know that because they have very good brand value students will come no matter what. Another related question that I often get asked is why do all the IIMs increase their education cost at once? So recently I've heard that IIM A, C, L, I, everyone is increasing their education cost. Why is that the case? From my assumption, and if I use another economic theory, it's because the IM business is more like an oligopoly. Let me define what oligopoly means. Oligopoly means that there are some players in the industry which control the entire market. So in this case, if we consider the market as an MBA, then these IIMs, which are very top IIMs, they are like an oligopoly where they control major market share of the MBA colleges. And in oligopoly, we have heard a term called cartel. So what happens is if the players in the oligopoly they come together and then they create a joint team where they decide to increase or decrease the price all at once, we call that process a collusion or a cartel. So what I believe is IIMs are becoming more like a cartel where all of them decide that all of them are going to increase the price at once. And if everyone increases the price at once, they start acting like a monopoly. And in monopoly, no matter what the price is, the demand normally doesn't go down. So since IIMs all of them increase the price at once, students have no chance to skip one or two colleges and get the third college because all the top colleges have increased their price. So that's what I think, that the market is oligopoly and they are entering a cartel where they are acting as a monopoly to increase the price all at once. Thank you.